stop scrolling and imagine, for just a heartbeat, that inside your body runs a hidden power line, 7 glowing hubs that light up every thought, feeling, and decision you make. If even one of these hubs flickers, your whole life can feel like a dim room. Stay with me, and I'll show you how to flip every switch back on, one by one. At the very end, you'll have a simple daily routine you can start tonight. No fancy gear, no mystical chanting required. Ready? Let's plug in. First, what exactly is a chakra? Think of a chakra as a spinning wheel, like a colorful bicycle tire, made of pure buzzing energy. These wheels aren't random, they line up along your spine, from tailbone to the crown of your head, forming an internal highway. Ancient Indian yogis mapped them thousands of years ago, and modern wellness seekers still follow the same route. Why? Because when these wheels spin smoothly, life feels like a well-oiled bike coasting downhill, effortless momentum. When they jam, it's like pedaling uphill with a rusty chain, slow, squeaky, frustrating. Our goal today is to grease each wheel so you can ride through life smoothly. We'll cruise through all 7 chakras, give each one a quick pit stop, where it sits, what it controls, how to know it's off balance, and a simple fix you can do right after this video. Keep listening, because every tip builds on the last like links in a chain. Miss one, and the rest lose strength. Chakra 1 is the root chakra, called Muladhara, sitting at the base of your spine. Imagine it as the foundation of a skyscraper. Without bedrock, the tallest tower wobbles. Your root chakra keeps you steady, physically, mentally, financially. Signs it's jammed, you feel jumpy, anxious, chronically worried about money or safety. The quick tune-up? Ground yourself, literally. Stand barefoot on grass or soil for 2 minutes, breathe deep, and picture red light, Earth's color, rising through your feet like warm syrup. Add root-friendly foods like beets, tomatoes, and even a juicy apple to your diet. Do this daily, and you tell your body, I belong here. Next gear, Chakra 2, the Sacral Chakra, Swadhisthana, 2 inches below your navel. Picture a bright orange sunrise over calm water. This hub fuels creativity, passion, and pleasure, your inner art studio. When clogged, life feels colorless. You might experience writer's block, low libido, or emotional numbness. Unstick it by moving like water. Sway your hips to a favorite song, or try gentle hip circles. Eat orange foods to reinforce that vibrant hue. As you dance, imagine orange paint splashing on a blank canvas, your ideas bursting to life. Shift up to Chakra 3, the solar plexus, Manipura, glowing yellow above your belly button. Think of it as your personal sun, radiating confidence and drive. When clouds cover this sun, you second-guess every choice and feel powerless. Spark it by doing a power pose. Stand tall, hands on hips, and inhale until your belly expands like a balloon. Exhale with a soft pushing out doubt. Add core exercises, planks or sit-ups to build heat. Snack on yellow peppers or a squeeze of lemon water, and picture a bright spotlight following you, saying, "Center stage is yours." Halfway up the spine sits Chakra 4, the heart chakra, Anahata, shimmering green. Picture a thriving garden. This is where love, compassion, and forgiveness bloom. When weeds overgrow, anger, grief, jealousy, you might feel tight-chested or emotionally closed. The antidote? Gratitude. Write down 3 things you appreciate, even tiny ones like a friend's text. Then hug yourself, wrapping arms around your torso and breathe into your back ribs. Visualize green vines untangle knots around your heart, making room for fresh blossoms. Leafy greens like spinach fuel this garden from the inside. Now the sound bridge. Chakra 5, the throat chakra. The Shudra, an electric blue orb at your neck. It's your internal microphone. When blocked, your voice cracks, literally or metaphorically. Maybe you swallow opinions at work or struggle to ask for what you need. Loosen it with a simple humming exercise. Sit tall, inhale through the nose, and exhale with a long like tasting chocolate. The vibration shakes loose stuck words. Drink warm herbal tea, think chamomile or peppermint, to soothe the physical throat. Picture blue waves rolling from your mouth, carrying clear messages to shore. Next stop, Chakra 6, the third eye, Anjana, indigo light between your eyebrows. This is your inner GPS, guiding intuition and insight. When foggy, decision-making feels like driving at night without headlights. Sharpen it with a 60-second candle gaze. Sit in a dim room, stare at a candle flame without blinking until tears form, then close your eyes and watch the after-image dance. This trains your mind to hold focus. Eat blueberries or purple grapes to feed this midnight hue. Imagine opening a window and cool night air sweeping stale thoughts away, revealing starry clarity. Finally, Chakra 7, the crown, Saswarara, a violet or white halo hovering at the top of your head. Picture a satellite dish beaming signals between you and the universe. When clogged, life feels meaningless and spiritual connection frays. Clear it with silence. Set a 2-minute timer, sit tall, and breathe naturally. If thoughts barge in, picture them as clouds drifting past a mountain peak. You are the mountain. End with a glass of pure water, honoring clarity. Visualize a shower of white light descending, washing every chakra below. Now, let's string these tips into a daily 8-minute tune-up you can do, even in pajamas. Minute 1, barefoot grounding for the root. Minute 2, hip circles for the sacral. Minute 3, power pose and belly breath for solar plexus. Minute 4, self-hug and gratitude whisper for the heart. Say thank you out loud. Minute 5, humming for the throat. Minute 6, candle flame, or, if no candle, softly focus on a point on the wall for the third eye. Minute 7, silent sitting for the crown. Minute 8, sip water while visualizing all 7 colors stacking like a rainbow inside you. Done. 8 minutes, 7 switches flipped. Before we wrap, let's tackle 3 quick myths. Myth 1, you need to be a yogi to work with chakras. False. If you can breathe, you qualify. Myth 2, chakras are purely spiritual mumbo-jumbo. Actually, modern science links breathwork and visualization to reduced stress, lowered blood pressure, and improved focus. Whether you see chakras as metaphors or literal energy hubs, the benefits are real. Myth 3. If one chakra is off, you're doomed. Energy flows like water. One cleared blockage can naturally flush and rebalance the rest. You might wonder, how long until I feel a change? Some people notice a lighter mood after the very first session. For deeper shifts, better sleep, stable emotions, aim for a week of day tune-ups. Keep a journal. Rate each chakra from 1 to 10 before and after your routine. Watching numbers climb is motivating, like tracking steps on a fitness app. Ready for action? Right after this video, set a timer for 8 minutes and try the routine. Then comment below with the chakra that felt the most alive. I read every comment, and your experience might spark someone else's breakthrough. If you found value, share this video with a friend who could use an energy reboot. Remember to hit subscribe, because next week we'll dive into chakra-boosting foods you can meal prep in under 10 minutes. As we close, take one slow breath. Inhale possibility, exhale doubt. Picture those 7 wheels spinning in perfect harmony, like gears of a cosmic clock, ticking you toward your brightest timeline. Keep this rhythm and watch how doors open, conversations flow, and ideas bloom. The power isn't out there. It's humming inside you, waiting for a switch. You just learned how to turn it on.